The ORP Ślązak Hull number 241 is a key offshore patrol vessel in the Polish Navy, originally designed as a Gawron-class corvette. This ship is part of Poland's efforts to modernize its naval capabilities, focusing on versatility, endurance, and advanced technology. Based on the Mako A100 design developed by the renowned German shipyard Blohm plus Voss, the ORP Ślązak represents a major leap in Poland's defense sector, aligning with the modern trends of modular and adaptable warship designs. The Gawron-class project, initiated in the early 2000s, was intended to replace older vessels and enhance the Polish Navy's overall capabilities, but due to budgetary constraints and shifting defense priorities, the class was downsized and only one ship, the ORP Ślązak, was completed. Despite the initial setbacks and a shift away from the original corvette design, the vessel was eventually completed as an offshore patrol vessel. The ORP Ślązak was christened and launched in July 2015, entering service 4 years later in November 2019. With a length of 95.2 meters, a width of 13.5 meters, and a displacement of 1,800 tons, the Ślązak is a medium-sized vessel designed for a variety of roles. It is well suited for missions that include countering both naval and aerial threats, patrolling sea routes, escorting commercial vessels, counter-piracy operations, and supporting special forces. Additionally, the vessel can serve as a base for helicopters and engage in humanitarian and environmental protection operations. The ORP Ślązak's weaponry package is one of its most prominent features, showcasing a balanced approach to modern naval defense. The ship is armed with a 76mm automated main gun for surface engagements, two 30mm automated Merlin remote weapon stations for close-range defense, and four Gawron short-range surface-to-air missile launchers for anti-aircraft defense. The vessel also carries a set of 12.7mm machine guns for additional firepower. These systems are integrated into the TACTICOS Combat Management System, which helps ensure optimal coordination between sensors and weapons. The ship is equipped with an advanced radar suite, including Smart-S Mark II surveillance radar and Sting-EO Mark II fire control radar, as well as a Mirador electro-optical observation and fire control system, which significantly enhances its target acquisition and tracking capabilities. Despite its strong operational baseline, the Polish Ministry of Defense has recognized the need to upgrade the ORP Ślązak to address emerging threats and modern naval warfare requirements. The planned modernization, announced by the Armament Agency in December 2024, is set to bring the vessel's capabilities in line with contemporary defense standards. Key components of the planned upgrade include the addition of advanced missile systems for both air and surface target engagement. The integration of these systems will enable the ORP Ślązak to counter more sophisticated aerial and missile threats, making it a more formidable opponent against modern adversaries. Additionally, one of the most innovative aspects of the upgrade involves the integration of unmanned aerial systems for surveillance and reconnaissance purposes. The ability to deploy drones from the ship could provide extended range for monitoring, intelligence gathering, and even combat operations. The modernization also includes a major focus on enhancing the ship's electronic warfare and signals intelligence capabilities. These upgrades will allow the ORP Ślązak to operate in contested environments, where jamming, radar suppression, and cyber operations are key components of modern naval warfare. Furthermore, these capabilities will strengthen Poland's ability to defend its territorial waters and contribute to NATO's broader strategic goals. The planned upgrade is particularly ambitious, as it aims to transform the ORP Ślązak from a relatively modest patrol vessel into a multi-role surface combatant capable of carrying out high-intensity operations. The inclusion of counter-UAS capabilities is a critical feature, as drones are increasingly used by both state and non-state actors to challenge naval operations. Additionally, electronic warfare capabilities will allow the vessel to disrupt enemy communications, radar, and satellite systems, which are integral components of modern naval power projection. The comprehensive nature of the upgrades suggests that the Polish Ministry of Defense views the ORP Ślązak as an important asset for future naval operations. These enhancements will also ensure that the vessel remains relevant in a rapidly changing security environment, where technological advancements in missile systems, drones, and electronic warfare are redefining naval warfare. In competition with regional competitors, such as the Croatian Armament-class and the Lithuanian Corvette-class, the ORP Ślązak is positioned well but faces stiff competition. The Armament-class and Corvette-class vessels also include advanced missile systems and anti-aircraft defenses, but they are generally smaller and less versatile than the Ślązak. The ORP Ślązak's planned upgrades would significantly extend its range of operations and make it more capable in both conventional and asymmetric conflict scenarios. The addition of unmanned systems and enhanced missile defense will give Poland a distinct advantage in future naval operations. Furthermore, Poland's strategic importance within NATO highlights the significance of its naval forces. The ORP Ślązak, with its modernized systems and multi-role capabilities, will not only serve Poland's national defense interests but also contribute to NATO's collective defense strategy